Alright, check 1 2 1 2. What it do? What it do? What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Raz. We back with another one. The way I see it, I want to look at some of these trap dance hall videos. Check out a few of them. I'm going to I don't know which one I should click on first. I Millie or A Millie or Chronic Law. 42K, 153K, 10 hours, 1 day. That's not far. That ain't far from one of them. All right. Man, it should be this fucking hard. I'm fucking.
Crime Flow Records. Hampton Music.
Yo, Crime Flow. Fully dark, huh? Midnight. Yeah.
Before I jump, I didn't mean to pause it like right when the shit was about to drop. But if anybody is watching this, can you explain to me what like darkness is? Like why is or like I know what it is. I'm assuming it's like like you want to like the black market type shit. Like darkness is like like gangster shit. I'm assuming, but could y'all explain it? If anybody see this, let me know what that means. Darkness, or the like darky this, darky that, like, or darkness forever. Just let me know what that means.
Me hear the hurt, but still a smoke I grade pan the migraine. Just now in my place, yeah, with my grade. Still there in my zone with a nice gear. Yeah, the phone and the ring and it no vibrate, no. I grade, keep your mind straight. Me smoke with chest pain and migraine. Not tour, but feel me a fly straight. Yeah. Me dash with vape, weed and grab a with the headache. I pre them say darkness, then here bring a buckle of belly. The baby tattoo hot, it want fresh air. No say fear, them gun near our family like a shame. Me say pain, enough tears of badness for the kids. Them say me stubborn, me survive with the deaf ears. Them get shame, I count nothing out like it catch AIDS. I'ma feel like me hear the hurt, but still a smoke I grade pan the migraine. Just now in my place, yeah, with my grade. Still there in my zone with a nice gear. Yeah, the phone and the ring and it no vibrate. I grade, keep your mind straight. Me smoke with chest pain and migraine.
Alright, so it's still mixed with the auto tune and like certain things that really I wouldn't really listen to too much if it was like just standard like American rap or whatever. I don't really fall into the auto tune too much. Like every now and again, like maybe Dirk or somebody, they might make it work, or whoever. But just off rip, it's a cool vibe. I could see they probably speaking about a lot of the stuff that's going on, like or how people probably feel around where they're from. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not from there per se, so I'm trying to like get a vision into their world. But I'm picking up like the chorus. What's the chorus? He's saying he basically smoked weed to clear his head. Like he not like I'm assuming he mean like headaches, like as in like how we say something is a headache, like damn, that's a headache to deal with, you know what I'm saying? Not like an actual headache from migraines. Obviously we know they use pain a lot too. Like instead of saying pain, like we might like you dress it up a little bit instead of just being like we in pain. Like niggas in the hood is in pain, they hurting, hearts hurt. Niggas doing all type of shit that they gotta live with and all type of, you know what I'm saying? But they not just gonna be like I'm in pain, you know what I'm saying? Some of them do though, like G Herbo, he good at expressing it. He might not say it specifically like that, but he'll dress it up, in a way where he letting you know, like PTSD, you know what I'm saying? That's essentially saying you in pain. Like if you admitting to have PTSD from being in certain situations, then you admitting to being in pain, so I get a lot of that from their music. A lot of sayings that they use regularly. Man, what the fuck is pre? I don't know what pre is. I can't figure this shit out for nothing. Man, I'm trying to think of how I seen it used, but I heard it and seen it a bunch of times. Like I don't know what pre means, so y'all clue me in on that one too. Let me know. I'm trying to figure this shit out.
Not tour but feel me a fly straight. Me head a hurt but me feel better and not just the first puff. Brain in me head top of the dirt bunks. Me no afraid of heights so me no nervous. Spliff bigger than the trophy for World Cup crime boss. Eyes red like the clown was a circus. Mix the green with the brown and the purple. Me know I've crushed on people them weird.
He said I mixed with the green with the brown and the purple. I hope the brown is just like swag, but I hope the brown is like some Reggie and not with the brown that be up, you know what I'm saying?
Me crush the herbs of the earth, but still a smoke I grade on the migraine. Just now in my place, yeah, with my grade. Still there in my zone with a nice gear. Yeah, the phone and the ring and it no vibrate.
I don't keep pausing a lot, but I think I'm starting to pick up a little bit. So is when he's saying I smoke high grade upon the migraine, is he just saying like migraine is like to the head, like how we would say we smoke good gas to the head or something? You know what I'm saying? Like, let me know. I think I'm picking it up low key. Like, slang is hard in different places because everybody use so much different slang. Like, especially on an island that's not connected to our culture as much. You know, so trying to figure out what exactly the slang is. Like even like you know what I'm saying.
I grade, keep your mind straight. Me smoke with chest pain and migraine. Not tour but feel me a fly straight. Yeah. Me dash with vape, weed and grab a with the headache. I pre them say darkness then here, bring a buckle of belly. The baby tattoo hot it want fresh air. No say fear, them gon' near our family like a shame. Me say pain, enough tears of badness for the kids. Them say me stubborn, me survive with the deaf ears. Them get shame, I count nothing out like it catch shades. I'ma feel like me hurt, but still a smoke I grade on the migraine. Just now in my place, yeah, with my grade. Still there in my zone with a nice gear. Yeah, the phone and the ring and it no vibrate, no. I grade, keep your mind straight. Me smoke with chest pain and migraine. Not tour but feel me a fly straight. Yo, crime boss, fully dark man. Yo, dream, yo, jammy. Good.
All right, I would watch that, but I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know what bro is saying, so I don't know, man. I swear I'm picking this shit up a little bit, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, this cat's here, and when you deep in a certain environment, like, yeah, I don't know what you be saying sometimes either. So this motherfucker's from here, from the States, where I don't know what the fuck y'all saying. You know what I'm saying? It took me probably 4 or 5 years to figure out what Thug was saying on any track. So, you know. But man, that was a cool little vibe. I don't know if like I don't know if it was something like here, if I would look at it as something I would listen to normally. But yeah, I mean, I was noticing these cats, you know, like it's only been a day and bro got like 150,000 views. And there's people that I listen to regularly that don't get that in a day. So, I mean, they must be doing something right. Like, bro must have, you know, he must have a nice little following. So, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, that's you know, that's what it's looking like on this little venture right here on the way I see it, man. I'll check with y'all on the next one for sure.